5% at each of the last 4 sessions, an unusual move. Rapid increases in mortgage rates are also impacting the housing market, with the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate reaching its highest level in 14 years, rising by 113% since the beginning of 2022. Catalyst number 3. Job reductions. It's not just affordability that's at stake. White-collar job losses are also on the rise. Surprising industries, such as Meta, Amazon, and Twitter, have announced significant layoffs. These white-collar job reductions could further impact the housing market by displacing high-paying employment. With increasing mortgage rates and soaring property costs, the American dream is becoming out of reach for many individuals. Even a slight decline in property prices won't be enough to offset the significant increase in mortgage expenses. The situation is worrisome, but here's where the opportunity lies. Instead of sitting back and watching the housing catastrophe unfold, there are ways to potentially profit from this crisis. One strategy is to purchase put options on the shares of the homebuilder Toll Brothers, TOL. Put options give you the right to sell shares at a predetermined price, and if the stock price falls below that price, the options gain value. Toll Brothers is an ideal target because they focus on the luxury segment of the housing market, with an average home price of $875,000. Their high price point and the impact of rising interest rates on mortgage payments make them vulnerable to a potential recession affecting white-collar jobs. There are already signs of declining demand for Toll Brothers homes due to rising mortgage rates, higher home prices, stock market volatility, and macroeconomic uncertainty. By acquiring Toll puts, we can potentially take advantage of this situation. Remember, this is a dynamic position, where we opportunistically secure gains and adjust the option expiration date and strike price. The goal is to stay ahead of what's to come and make the most of this challenging market. And that concludes our discussion on making money from the upcoming housing crisis. It's essential to approach these opportunities with caution and consult with financial advisors to make informed decisions. Stay tuned for more insights and analysis. Thank you for watching.